Hey there, science fans! Ever tripped over a tree root and thought, what's the root of the problem here? Well, it turns out those roots are way more important and funnier than you might think. We're diving deep into the hilarious world of plant roots. Get ready for some serious science and side-splitting jokes. First things first, what are those roots doing down there anyway? Let's dive deep into the underground world of roots and discover their secrets. Think of roots as a plant's very own all-in-one anchor and snack bar. They are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly beneath the surface. They dig deep into the ground, making sure the plant doesn't take a tumble in the wind. Roots are like nature's anchors, holding the plant steady and firm. Ever seen a tree dancing in a hurricane? Probably not, and that's thanks to the roots. They keep the tree grounded even in the fiercest storms. Yeah, me neither. Roots. But wait, there's more. Roots do more than just anchor the plant. Roots are like tiny straws, slurping up water and nutrients from the soil. They are constantly on the lookout for the best sources of nourishment. It's like a 24/7 buffet down there, and the roots are the ultimate food critics. They choose the best nutrients and water, ensuring the plant stays healthy and strong. Roots also communicate with each other, sharing information about the best spots to find water and nutrients. It's a whole underground network. So next time you see a plant, remember the incredible work its roots are doing beneath the surface. They are the true lifeline of the plant, ensuring it thrives in its environment. Now let's meet the root crew. These underground heroes are the unsung champions of the plant world, working tirelessly beneath the surface. This isn't just some random jumble of underground parts. It's a well-organized, highly efficient network that keeps the plant alive and thriving. Oh no, we've got layers, my friends, and each one has a very important and sometimes funny job to do. Let's break it down layer by layer. First up, we've got the root cap, the ultimate protector. This tough little guy shields the delicate tip of the root as it pushes through the soil. Then there's the meristematic zone, where the cells are multiplying faster than you can say photosynthesis. This is where the root grows by adding new cells. Next, it's the elongation zone, where things get, well, long. Here, the new cells produced in the meristematic zone start to stretch out, making the root longer. And finally, we've got the maturation zone. Sounds serious, right? This is where the cells mature and specialize, taking on roles like absorbing water and nutrients. Each part of the root has a unique and vital role to play in the life of the plant. Section 4, cap on, cap off. This cap's got a job to do. Imagine you're a root tip pushing your way through rough soil. Not easy, right? That's where the root cap comes in. This tough little helmet protects the delicate root tip as it grows. It's like wearing a hard hat on a construction site, but instead of building a skyscraper, these roots are building a plant. And trust me, building a plant is hard work. Section 5, grow baby grow, the elongation zone story. Next up is the elongation zone. Remember those multiplying cells in the meristematic zone? Well, in the elongation zone, those cells stretch out like a rubber band. It's like a plant yoga class down there with everyone reaching for their toes. This stretching helps the root grow longer and reach more water and nutrients. Section 6, maturation zone, not your average teenager. Finally, we reach the maturation zone. This is the part of the root where things get really interesting. It's not just about growing, it's about becoming something more. Sounds boring? Not a chance. This is where the magic happens, where the root cells transform and take on their unique roles. This is where the root cells grow up and get real jobs. Imagine a bustling city underground with each cell having a specific duty. Some cells are like, I'm going to transport water. They form a network of tiny pipelines, ensuring the plant stays hydrated. Others are like, nutrients are my thing. These cells are the plant's personal chefs, absorbing essential minerals and nutrients from the soil. It's like a root career fair down there, and everyone's got their resume ready. Each cell knows its role and performs it with precision. So there you have it, the hilarious, fascinating, and slightly bizarre world of plant roots. It's a complex and well-organized system that keeps the plant alive and thriving. Next time you see a plant, give a little nod to those roots. They may be hidden, but they are the unsung heroes of the plant world. They're working hard down there, making sure the plant thrives. Without them, the plant wouldn't stand a chance. Keep those jokes coming and stay curious. There's always more to learn about the incredible world of plants and their roots. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the roots beneath your feet. They're doing an amazing job, one cell at a time. Whether in a forest, a garden, or even a sidewalk crack, roots are always at work, adapting and thriving in their own unique ways. And remember, every great plant starts with a strong foundation. So let's give a cheer for the roots.